As a struggling scrubber salesman, I need all the help I can get. That's why I like the Scrubbity-Bubbity Wand,
Cut.
the Vac Brush Flippy Wand.
Cut.
The FactoryCat Scrub and Suck is a great...
Cut.
The FactoryCat
Vac Brush Flip Wand with spray jet
is a great option to take on demonstrations when you have debris underneath an obstacle and you want to do some remote cleaning. So today we're going to use the XR riding scrubber. So you leave the machine parked in one spot, and attached to your wand, you're going to have two hoses. One of them is a vacuum wand that has a stainless steel cuff that attaches directly to the squeegee hose coming off of the machine. And then you have a water line. It has a quick release coupling like you'd find on an air hose. Your spray jet disconnects with that same coupling, and you plug into the hose on the machine side. What this then allows you with this option is to use a jet of water. It's going to take the solution that you're cleaning with in your tank, spray it out on the floor. You can agitate it with your brush, and then the head will actually rotate over, and since it's vacuumized, you can remove the soils that you've added the solution to. Water's coming out. You can use it to agitate it manually.